In other news, we are halfway through the end of the semester, and some students may be looking for a way to blow off some steam. Some did just that during Trio's recent bowling night. Kacee Holmes takes us there.
Students wanting to take a moment to have fun had the chance to do just that during Troy University's Trio Student Services Bowling Night Out.
So this event is like a brain break. So it's just for some stress relief, like halfway through the semester. Kind of like, school-life balance. Yes, schoolwork is important. Yes, you need to do your homework, but we can also take some time to take a break and hang out with some friends.
Not only does Trio support students' physical and mental needs, the organization also helps with academic needs.
I found just like the people that work in Trio give out great advice. I love going in there and just talking to the people that work there or other students.
Taylor says there are ways to qualify for Troy's Trio program.
If you receive Pell Grant, if you have a physical or learning disability on file with the university, or if you are a first-generation college student.
Taylor encourages all students to apply for the Trio program. To get involved, visit Eldridge Hall near Shackelford Dorm Building. Kacee Holmes, Troy TrojanVision News.
For more information about Troy's Trio program, follow the group on Instagram at TroyMain_SSS.